So now let's see how we can use the print options to print out documents from inside Snagit editor. So in order to print out the document, you simply go to File right here and then you go to Print. Once you go to Print right here, there's Print Preview, Quick Print and Print option right here. So let us just go to Page Setup right here, and here what you can do is you can choose Auto Size right here or Fit to Page right here according to the page size that you choose. So you can go on to the fixed size right here. Let's say for example you want to print by onto something like 7 by 12 inch right over here. You can see that this is how it actually fits into place right over there. So this is page 1 of 2 as you can see. So that is how it seems. You can also go over here and crop this out right here just like this and resize that out as well. Pull and push this out from the side as well and place it onto the paper that you want to print just like that as you can see. You can also go over here and adjust out the margin right over here from different sides right over here, and that is how it actually works out just like that. You can print in landscape or portrait mode right here. So right now I'm just going to keep the image position on the center. You can also right align it, left align it, top align it, bottom align it right over here. You can also print the file names at the bottom of the page if you want to. So I'm just going to press OK right here. So I'm going to go to File and I'm going to go to Print, go to Print Preview, and you're in the Print Preview section right over here where you can zoom in and see how the page will be printed out. So if I were to go on to Print and click on Quick Print, what happens is that it quickly uses your printer and prints the thing out without even asking you. But in my case, it is a software printer which generates a PDF file. So I'm just going to export that out just like that. And let's see how it seems. So this is how it seems after it gets printed out just like that. Another option you have for printing is the Print option right here. And it allows you to choose the printer that you want to print with. So I'm just going to select the default printer. You can go around here with the page setup and you can set up the properties for the printing right over here for the printer. So in my case, it's a PDF. So there's the PDF setting right over here. And once you hit print, you can go around and then just print out your content just like that from your printer. And then it'll just be printed just like that. And that is how you can work around with print options and print your documents from inside Snagit editor. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.